The Hydro Masque Exfoliant is a 2-in-1 exfoliant and mask, and when these two types of products are put together, they work better. Two reasons why having an exfoliant and a hydrating mask together is effective for the skin. Dead skin cells prevent products from penetrating effectively and active ingredients from getting deeper into your skin. Dead skin cells contribute to our skin looking dull and feeling rough. When our skin is dehydrated, it feels tight and dry. We notice more obvious fine lines and wrinkles, and if you are prone to breakouts, you may find you get more. By exfoliating the skin first, your skin will easily absorb the hydrating ingredients in the mask. The Hydro Masque Exfoliant works firstly using touch-activated bamboo spheres to physically exfoliate your skin, removing those dead skin cells and leaving the skin smoother and brighter. You will then leave the mask on for 5 minutes to activate the hydration to your skin. Here, snow mushroom, jojoba ester, cucumber and bacillus ferment bind moisture and hold on to hydration and provide long-lasting water retention to your skin. To use the Hydro Masque Exfoliant, apply generously to your cleansed face and neck area and avoid the eye area. Massage in circular motions until the spheres disappear, and then let the mask activate for 3 to 5 minutes. You'll then rinse thoroughly and follow with your Dermalogica moisturiser. We recommend using this once to twice a week. If you would like any more information on the Hydro Masque Exfoliant or any advice about your skin, please visit our website and click on Advice.